What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Sparrow's Nest new building, and I figured I would come here and make an update video because I haven't been here in probably close to a month. Behind me you might see our C10 step side. If you want to see a video on that, we just filmed one on the way over here, so this is going to come out. That might come out tomorrow or the following day. I gotta figure that out still, but either way it'll be coming out in the next couple days. But there is a ton of progress here on this job, as you can probably tell if you were following along on this build. But the guys have been moving along, and we're going to walk through and pretty much go over everything. You have your septic in. One of these is a grease trap, right, Dad? Dad, one of these is a grease trap, right?
The grease trap is the first one.
Uh-huh.
150 gallon grease trap.
And then that's the septic.
1250 for the septic.
Okay.
All the kitchen is tied into the grease trap.
Yeah.
And you can see it's got the lateral that once it fills up, the water will go there, and then probably with.
So what stops the grease from getting out?
There's a chamber in there. There's a pipe in there that stops it from rising.
So water will float on top of the grease.
Well, the grease floats on top of the
water. Oh, right. So
yep.
Wait, so how does the grease not come into here then?
Because the pipe is down lower. See how it's down like 17
Yeah.
inches from the top?
Yeah.
And so you see this piece right here? This piece goes inside and gets adjusted so that the water comes in here and the grease stays up above.
Oh, interesting.
Yep.
Interesting. And then this is going to get tied in.
Yeah, this is going to come out of there. You see it right there?
Yep.
It'll come out of here. Kenny's going to head here.
I'm sure he's going to run into a lot more rock this way.
Well, that's it. He's got to head downhill.
Yeah. So the leach field is out there, right?
Yep. Well, the leach field, that's the overflow.
Okay.
Yeah, I think this is. I think they flopped them because of the layout. Yeah, so they're just waiting. So this is special sand.
Right. They had to get it approved by the town, right?
They had to get it approved by the engineer.
Oh, okay.
So now they're all in.
Yep. Oh, so they've been working out here too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. None of this was done last time I was here.
Nope. And so you see where the 4 cones are over there?
Yeah.
That's the additional overflow area.
Okay. All right, let's head inside.
And then this is all going to get graded off nice and neatly, positive pitch away from the building.
How's the new forklift working?
What's that?
How's the new forklift working?
Oh, beautiful.
Nice. You might remember I blew this auger apart.
Well, I need to get that home.
Yeah.
Because I could have used that hitch for the plow
Well,
frame.
we're not putting it in that truck.
No.
You trying to move this?
Kenny's probably been dancing around it because it's sitting there.
I didn't know I came here to work. I thought I was just making a video. Oh, up on here? All right. Braiding blade we have, a couple buckets. To get painted? So has much really changed inside besides the framing?
Oh yeah, no, there's a lot.
Because last time I was here, the plumbing just got finished and we framed.
This is up the height.
This is the height of the patio. Oh, so I was talking about it before, how the blocks are coming on top of here, right? All these footings are going to be.
So this is 6 inches lower. So we got 2 inches of pavers and 4 inches of sand dust. To get it nice and level.
And then, but the blocks that they're doing are wrapping that pole, so you won't even see the footing, right?
The front end, no, the out here we're going to use a piece of angle iron, galvanized angle iron, to stop the brick.
Okay.
And it's going to be perfectly flush with the front of the 6x6.
Gotcha.
Which makes it flush with the front of the girder.
And, oh, also another thing, windows are in. They were not in last time I was here.
Doors are ordered.
Doors are ordered. This all, besides the windows, this is pretty much as it was last time I was here.
We got another window there. We added a window.
Yeah.
Because we missed the porch, so they want to add another window. And we're thinking about a change on the gable end.
Possibly putting a big barn door or something,
Barn
right?
door, sliding barn door. So we're working on that. This is a future event space. This won't be finished for another year.
Yeah. What you see right here is where I was the last time. Everything from this wall on, including the slab, is new. So this slab was not poured last time I was here. None of these walls were up. The roof wasn't on, the rafters weren't in. Nothing over here. Pretty much from this corner, following these walls, is where it was left off. But you can see the slab is completely poured.
We've been moving.
Yeah. A lot of progress here. So what do you got? Just upper, oh, you were telling me about this because they were concerned about the daylight coming in here.
They're all going to be powered awning windows. The girls were complaining that when they're in the kitchen cooking,
It's too dark.
they couldn't tell if it's sunny out, dark out, raining, snowing.
Yeah,
They had no windows.
no daylight at all.
So we said, you know, no problem, we can get you some windows. And being that they're so high, we got the Anderson awnings with the power option.
Uh-huh.
Over here by the door, there'll be a keypad and they can open and close them
Yeah.
automatically.
Yep. So drains in the floor are just for cleaning the floor after they cook.
There's three of them there.
1, 2, 3. What are these two on the sides?
That's a 4-bay sink, that's a 4-bay sink, and this is a big tilt skillet.
Okay. Oh, so there's going to be something tied into this.
Well, there's a tilt skillet here, and when you're done cooking, you tilt the pan, and it has like a trunk on it.
That'll be tied into
Dumps
that.
right in here.
Okay. So then down here, this is a
Refrigerators, that's a bank of refrigerators.
right. This is a door to an outdoor freezer, right?
This is going to be to a walk-in.
Right. There would be a freezer
Directly
pretty
in-
much.
it's
It's
directly
going to be
in-
up against the siding, though, right?
It's going to be very close.
Yeah.
It's gonna be directly in line with this.
Yeah. And
You'll
then
get
this room, I've talked about the driveway here many times. This is for the delivery drivers. They'll come around here, back in right here, and you're pretty much inside loading the back of your truck to go out to deliver food to
They'll make
families.
deliveries for on Thursdays and Fridays. They get ready. They only cook on Mondays.
Okay.
Thursdays and Fridays they get all their goods delivered. This is where a delivery guy can
Oh,
come.
so this will be for deliveries and loading the food to
and
go
when they're
out.
done on Monday night, Tuesday morning, all the volunteers come and grab the food and deliver it to all the cancer recipients.
Yeah. So this is a garage door.
It's a roll-up garage door, 10 by 10.
Yeah. And then out here, all the rock is pretty much gone. You guys saw pretty much every video I made. I climbed up on this rock pile that was about probably what, 30 feet tall. They got a big rock here. When did they find this?
A picture. This is a ring road,
Yeah.
and there's a big planting area. There's a big round circular grass area, and we're saving all of those flat rocks for landscape features.
Okay.
We want to put them in the landscape, and we're going to do we're going to do like a 10-foot ring of grass, and then plantings, and then we're going to put the rocks out there so when the families of the cancer recipients come, they can sit on the rock, talk to Krista, and
Have a little hangout area.
have a little nice quiet area.
Yeah. When did they find that rock?
That was one of the pieces that didn't get blasted, so Kenny's going to hit it with the hammer real quickly and just
Yeah. Oh, so that was the bottom. It didn't blow apart when they blasted?
didn't pop it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
It popped everything else.
Yeah. Oh, that's a pretty big one. So they're in pretty good shape here. There's nothing else major that's really changed besides the electric is ran. The drains for all of the gutters and leaders are tied in. Obviously, they're not on the building yet.
They haven't run the pipes from the buildings yet, but everything is ready at the back side of the parking lot.
Okay. Oh, so they need to go under
Yeah,
where the parking lot is.
That parking lot has to come up 20.
Yeah, it's pretty low out there.
21 inches.
Yep.
So I gave him all the gutter the leader locations.
Uh-huh.
All this has to get cut down and tapered.
Yep.
The well guy was here. Henry was here from Boyd Artesian Wells. Everything's done inside. They ran in. So this is all just temporary right now. So we're
Yep.
going to backfill this.
Yep. Got a little bit more tie part to go on.
This is all got to get cut down and tapered and pitched away. And
Yep. This is a huge building.
oh, it's beautiful. See all the orange marks right there?
Okay.
Those are leader placements.
Oh, okay, because it's so long.
Yeah.
They gotta have multiple coming down.
Yeah.
So what is this, just a back door just to come out here?
That's a back door, so they have access out here.
Yeah.
So we plan on down the road holding like barbecues, fundraisers,
Yeah.
stuff like that, so that they can come out here. We can set picnic tables up. We're also thinking about extending the roof pitch. If we do the ends
With the barn door that we were talking about earlier.
barn doors, and doing it with like some 6x6 or 8x8 posts, and then a paver patio, so that when you open up the doors, the inside is out, the outside is in, and vice versa, and we can
with the roof too.
continue the roof right out.
Yeah, but this will all be no walls, just open.
Just wide open, beautiful view.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Did you show them all the rough plumbing? And
Well, that a lot of that, nothing was in the walls. It was just stubbed up through the slab.
electrician is starting on Wednesday.
Yeah, so plumbing's all in, all through the walls. These were all just stubbed up through the slab last time I was here.
You got a wall home, 2 toilets. This is the ADA bay.
Oh, this is a bathroom for when they're using the event space.
Well, for the kitchen staff,
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
men's
Yeah.
and ladies.
Not for the offices. They have their own bathrooms in there.
And this is identical. They're identical bathrooms. Back to
Yeah.
back.
Yep.
Identical bathrooms.
Makes it a lot easier.
Everything's in it.
Yep.
All done. So now we just got to get the electrical locked in.
So what's this room?
This
This is obviously the electric service and stuff like that.
We got a well tank going over here.
Generator, electric
We got a well
service.
tank over here. We got a hot water heater here. We've got the electrical, the 600 amp panel service here. This is the 600 amp transfer switch for the generator.
Generator's gonna be out back.
Yeah, and over here is for all of the computer and internet
Okay.
on this wall.
And then what's this room out here?
That room out there is storage for food.
Okay.
This is like a pantry.
Yeah.
And we decided to, instead of having the door out in the vent space and make that room nice and square, we box this out,
Yeah.
and they can store stuff up top.
Yeah. So this is just for the cooking staff, the kitchen staff.
Food, and
Yeah.
and they were mentioning pots and pans and stuff like that.
Yeah. But I think that pretty much wraps it up for this. We gone through just about all the changes that were made. Obviously the roof is completely done. I don't think I talked about that, but hopefully we can see it. You can see all the shingles are on. It is completely watertight now, and it is nice because it is getting cold, and I'm sure there's going to be snow in the next month or so. So it's a good watertight building that our guys can work in. I'm actually running to pick up a big, I think it's a propane heater that they're going to use in here to try and keep themselves a little bit warm, because luckily me and Rodrigo get to work in our shop and we're inside all day. But I think that's going to wrap it up for this one. I will be coming here as the job progresses and making more videos on it to keep you guys updated. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.